Okay, so just like the base 10 number system, I'm going to practice with you how to write numbers in the binary system using ones and zeros. Okay, so using the same idea, you really want to start with the biggest number that it can divide by. So let's start with, how about the number 5? Okay, so I'll just put it right here. So the base 2 number system, each digit is a power of 2. So you notice up here in purple, I've got 2 to the 0 on the far right, which is 1. 2 to the first is 2. 2 to the second is 4. 2 to the third is 8. And 2 to the fourth, and so on. Okay? So if I have the number 5, I want to find in green the biggest number that would divide into 5. So I know it's going to be 4. So I'm going to put a 1 there because that shows that I want that placeholder. Okay? So then if I have 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So I need a value of 1, which means I have no values for 2. Okay, so let's do another number. Let's say like 13. Okay, so I go down the list and I said, well, 8 is the biggest number that will divide into 13. So we're going to put a 1 here. Okay, so 13 minus 8 is 5. So then I need to represent 5 in the columns to the right. Well, I can use 4. So I had 5 minus 4. So right now, see, we have 8 and we have a 4, which is 12. So that means we have 1 left. So I'm going to put a 1 in the 1 column. All right. Let's try 18. So that means that binary number, sorry, for 13 is 1101. Okay, you just put them all in order. So let's try the number 18. So 18, the biggest number is 16. So I'll put a placeholder, and we can only use ones and zeros. So we can't double any of these numbers. Okay, so we've got 16. So 18 minus 16 is 2. So if there's 2 left, I have a column 2 right here. Okay, so that means I have no 8s, no 4s, and no 1s. So 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 could be written as 10010. Got it? All right, let's try another number. How about let's do 50? Okay, well, the biggest number that divides into is 32. So 50, I'll do it here, minus 32 is 18. So then I need to represent 18, and we just did that. So I have a 1 for 16 and then a 1 for 2. So I have 32 plus 16 plus 2 is 50. And we put zeros in all of the other places as placeholders. So 50 can be written as 110010. Okay? So likewise, let's say I went backwards, and I'm trying to make this, let's just make this smaller. And I'm given a number. Let's do this. Let's do, how about 1001101. Okay. And so let's write what that number would be in our base 10 system. Okay. So we're basically just going to add them up. So I've got 64 plus I have 1 in the 8 column plus 1 in the 4 column plus 1 in the 1 column. Okay, so we're going to add all of these up. So 64 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. And I got 77. Okay, and that would be in the base 10 system. All right, let's try another one. Let's say we've got a 1, 1, 0, 1. Let's move this up. One, 0. Okay, so we just take, we've got 1 in the 32, 16, 4, 2. So we're going to add those numbers together. So I get 20 plus 34 is 54. Okay. All right, so do you want to try one more with, let's go ahead and erase this. just so we can see the numbers a little bit better. So let's say I have the number 163. Okay. Oops. I need to move this over. All right, so let's say it's 163. Okay, so the largest number we have is 128, so I'm going to put a 1 there. So 163 minus 128, and you can use the calculator. It gives me 35 left. So then I go down, I can't do 64, but I can do 32. So if I take off 32, I'm left with 3. So I can't do 16, I can't do 8, I can't do 4, I can do a 2, and then I also have to do a 1. So what that is really saying is that 163 can be written as 1010011. Okay? So 163 is in base 10. And 101000011 is in base 2. All right, so you go ahead and give yours a try, and good luck.